Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Sheets more visually engaging or just a bit more organized with pictures right inside your cells, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'll be walking you through the steps on how to put an image directly into a cell in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add images that travel with your data, perfect for things like inventory lists, team rosters with profile photos, or any project where a picture says more than words. Alright, let's get started. First up, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. If you already have Gmail open, you're in a great spot. If not, you can quickly log in, no need to open any new tabs just yet. Now up in the very top right corner of your Gmail browser window, you'll see a little grid of 9 dots. That's Google's app launcher. It looks a bit like a waffle. Go ahead and give that a click. This brings up a panel with all of Google's productivity apps. Once that's open, scroll around until you spot the green Google Sheets icon. A lot of people might see Docs or Drive first, but you're looking for the one that looks like a spreadsheet. Click on that to open up Google Sheets. Once your Google Sheets dashboard loads, find or create the sheet where you want to add your image. Navigate to the exact cell where the image should live. Here's a little tip: try to choose a cell that's large enough to display your image clearly, or you can always resize it later. Click into that cell to highlight it. Now it's time to insert the image. Take a look at the top menu bar and find the Insert tab. Click on that. A drop-down will appear. Hover down until you see Image, and when your mouse is over that, you'll get two options: Image in Cell and Image over Cells. Make sure to select Image in Cell. This detail is important. If you choose Image over Cells, your picture will just float above the grid, not neatly inside it. By selecting Image in Cell, you're telling Google Sheets to actually embed the picture into the cell so it behaves like any other piece of data. Next, a window pops up letting you choose where your image is coming from. You can either upload a photo from your computer, pick one from Google Drive, or even pop in an image URL. For most folks, you'll probably want to click Browse to upload something from your computer. Navigate through your folders until you find the right file. Maybe it's a logo, a product photo, or even a little team headshot. Once you found the image you want, click Open. Don't worry if it takes a second or two. Sometimes larger images need a brief moment to upload. After that, you'll see your picture appear neatly tucked inside the cell you selected. If it looks a bit squished or cropped, you can always adjust the row height or column width so everything looks just right. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to put an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. It's a great way to add context, brighten up your spreadsheets, or just make your data pop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more simple, step-by-step tech how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.